Good morning, guys. Sorry the delay. Here again, as always, and my chart is loading, so it's going to take a little bit of time, as always. We understood that this loading of the bar chart takes time for Quantower with Rithmic connected. Now it's blocked at 65%. I don't know why, but yeah, it is what it is. How are you guys? Everything's good? It's not loading. What I have to do here? Choose 2 days, 1 day, move it to 3 days. Blocked at 65%. I don't know. It's not loading. I don't know what to do. Should I disconnect and reconnect Rithmic, or should I do reload historic server? Okay, let's do it from server. Nothing. Today, nothing. Okay. I'm gonna disconnect Rithmic and try to reconnect from a different server. Apex, and I do Apex what? Europe connect. Frankfurt server is the closest one to me here. No, it's not the closest one. I'm in Italy now. I forgot. Maybe I should just connect to loading symbols. How are you, everybody? If you're there, welcome back, guys. My Quantower is slow, so it's taking some time. It's connected. Let's see if it's gonna load the data. It's blocked at 65%. Hello, Bogdan. I really don't understand why it's blocked at 65%. I really don't know. 69. Oh, it's moving. It's moving. Okay, disconnecting and reconnecting was the right idea. So we're gonna get the connection soon. Then we're gonna have the data soon. 73%. Okay. How are you, Bogdan, my friend? So yesterday, guys, you saw it. I was not motivated at all, and it showed it. It showed it in my trading. It showed it in everything. Not happy with what I did yesterday, but you know, we keep going. We keep going, and we're here again. No trades anyway. We didn't miss anything, so that's the good side. We're gonna put the 41 MEA. It rained all day. What are you from? Where are you from, Bogdan? I don't remember. Did you tell me? Bogdan. You're from UK. If it's raining, you're from Manchester. You're from Manchester. Romania. You're from Romania, Bogdan. Romania? Shit, I was totally far. What the heck? If it's Romania, I was totally far away. Yeah, freaking hell. Totally far away, my friend. When you say you took me because of the rain. When you say rain, I was like UK. Romania, I know it's like a good weather country usually, because it's low, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you're close to. Yeah, you're the same level of Bergamo. That's where I'm here right now. You're from Bucharest, the capital, or man, Romania is huge. You know, every time in my head, I think Romania is big as Albania as size, or big as Croatia. But Romania is huge country. It's the biggest one around them, apart from Ukraine. But yeah, yo, I mean, I didn't know that. I didn't remember that Romania was that big. You have a lot of mountains. I can see that. Yeah, is it mountains? Yeah, you have a lot of, not huge mountains, but you have them. The landscape. One day I will come by. Man, you know what I want to do next year? is this. Get a van, put a solar panel, put a good battery, put Starlink, and trade in a freaking in front of a lake. Live trade from that. Oh, it's gonna be so sexy. It's gonna be so sexy. Oh my god. I'm ready for that. Transfagarasan. Let me search for that. Transfagarasan. Oh, that is the Romania. I do think I've seen it before. It's beautiful. Oh, man, it's beautiful. Imagine driving that, even with the motorbike. I mean, driving whatever, drive whatever. That's beautiful. You camp there, you have this view, and I trade from there, watching this view. What a sexiness. What a sexiness. I will become the trader traveler that I've been always wanting to be. Oh, like this is 25,000, the main level. Just before I forget it. Yeah, 25,000. So we are space to the downside. Yeah, I saw the lake. I saw the picture of the lake now, and it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Let me see. Wait, I had the page open. That's beautiful, man. I love nature, and I love views, and I love landscape, and I love these things. For me, just the best. Cities, I like cities for daily life on a way that I have everything in front of me. But so beautiful. We might get a trade soon, hopefully. Action. Where is that? How come you don't push in Discord when you're going live? Sometimes I forget it. I do honestly forget it. You give me a good reminder. Sometimes I forget about that I have to put it in Discord. Let me share my video. Thank you for the reminder. I'm gonna get Discord right now. Tag everyone live on. Today especially I'm motivated to be here to speak. One guy for the 2,400 here we're missing, only one, but let's see. Last time I said please subscribe and someone unsubscribed. So yeah, that's what happens. Get that one. You know, I'm gonna lose one for how it works with this live stream every time. Market is just slowly going down, but no entry for us. Oh, why the heck I got my hair in my mouth? So for the moment, just a slowly steady downside. Hopefully we can get a little bit of more of a pullback, get us here, and we short down. But for the moment, very quick to the short side. What the heck? Well, but there should be a pullback, and if there is no pullback, we are in peace with ourselves. That's the mentality. Let's see if first we are getting everything on our order side before we take something here. Oh, market is moving fast. Look at that freak. Oh my God. 15 points are nothing today. Yesterday, my copy trading messed up. Freaking, I messed up yesterday with my copy trading. And I didn't get anything, but let's see what we can get today. Yeah, I messed up. Yeah, you know when I messed up, I believe is copy trading does not like that you do something like that. You put an order and the market is almost close to fill you and you do it a little move. The moment you do a little move, what does it do is that in the copier account, it not did move yet. So it fills the children account, then you move it, it creates a new order for the children account, and you're in two position on the children. So I did that mistake of like doing like a quick things like this on the last second, boom. So I'm gonna stop moving my order when I'm close to get filled. Yeah, no, this is my mistake. No, I don't, you're not in your case. Here, in my case, it's I messed up things. Oh, come on. Literally just, this thing is literally going lower and lower without any freaking, oh my God. Can you give us a pullback that is decent? The heck? Market is just, look at this candle. And the support is at 55,030 to 50,000. So inside that area, I don't want to freaking take a trade. Here. Oh, come on. We're already here. This is a shitty area to short. If we can come back and we get this. Is that WealthChart? No, this is a quant hour. John the Sailor. But if you have questions about WealthChart or about anything, let me know. I can help you in that. I can help you on knowledge if I can. Not maybe the best, but I can help you. Check the 15-minute chart, one candle out. Yeah, well, this isn't even just the 1 hour chart, and this 1 hour chart just freaking took everything out. And look, oh, but this is annoying right now. Yes, we took the lows. Piece of shit. We need even like a slightly, the 41 EMA today did not exist. I'm sorry, my volume got mute exactly when you asked WealthChart. No, quant hour. But if you have question about WealthChart, I can help you. WealthChart is a great application. It's just because I already have a Rithmic accounts. But the moment one day I will blow up all my Rithmic accounts, I will move to WealthCharts. The good side of WealthCharts and as well Tradovate is that they are Mac friendly. Quant hour is not. It's not Mac friendly at all. We might take a trade soon, guys. Why am 6 seconds delayed? I cannot take a trade. I cannot take a trade, guys. I'm 6 seconds delayed. I don't know why. Just because, yeah, I cannot take a trade. It's delayed. It's delayed for me. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds again. Yeah, no trade for me, guys. It has to catch up. Okay, now it catched up. Now it catched up. Okay, 400, 300 milliseconds. Might get a short. No, no short. Is Quantar including the average? Quantar is not an application of Apex itself that is included. In Quantower, you can use Rithmic. You can connect Rithmic accounts. So that's if you buy a Rithmic account in Apex, then you can connect it to your Quant Hour. Quant Hour works very well for Windows because it works only for Windows. Not only very well, it works only for Windows. So it's application that is beautiful, but it's only Windows application. So that's just be careful on that. All right, now I just need to wait a little bit more to see that maybe it's gonna give us a trade. You're welcome. If you have any other questions, let me know. Always for me is be comfortable with the application you use. So if you like a certain application because you are comfortable with it, go with it. I don't like this. I'd like to have a little bit more higher. So if you're more comfortable using, let's say, Tradovate or WealthChart or Quant Hour or Ninja Trader, is be comfortable with the application you're trading. Trading is itself, it's hard before putting yourself in a different one just because. You know what we are, as trader? We are dumb as hell. In general, we are very dumb. I am. On a way that many times we change application thinking that the application was the problem. And how many times it happened? Just because now I have this application, finally I will be a better trader. Yeah, that's what we always say. It's the same as changing from futures to options, from options to stocks, from stocks to CFD and CFD and everything. We always think that there is the other side is better. We always think that, and we are so dumb for that. It's a general dumb thing. I see you before you use WealthChart. Yeah, I mean, the best video of training in YouTube about WealthChart are mine. So if you look for WealthChart tutorial, it's my videos. So that's why you might have seen me using WealthChart. That's I explained the application mostly. Only I'm. Yeah, that's yeah. I am the one that created. They are my best videos. WealthChart tutorial, my best videos. I have like 16,000 views and stuff like that. I was thinking about this short here, but it's didn't like it. It was just a quick. If it was a little bit more outside coming back, pullback, I would have think about that. Now we're in a shitty position, guys. All this downside, we didn't get any freaking short. It sucks. That's how you get to miss. Yes, John the Sailor. Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed, John the Sailor? Now you know. Now we have John the Sailor that is here commenting. Yeah, man. I work for Apex. That is the funny thing that many people don't know, but. Many people don't know, but I work for Apex, yeah. Yeah, I do work for Apex. Oh yeah, okay, leave it, John. I was looking for the 400 here. I started as a support. I was 1 year and now it's 1.5 years ago. I started as a support customer. So basic support customer, I was replying to emails and stuff like that. Now I do a little bit, I don't do support anymore. I do more, I check more if everything is correctly running, you know, in the systems, WealthChart or Tradovate or Rithmic. Still on the support side, but I don't reply to tickets, mostly that, you know. I just evaluate that everything is correctly running for the customer side. So that's why I care. When you tell me something is not working, I care just because I want to see why it's not working. Yeah, why it's not working, and if it's server side or whatever application side, then I can report it and say, okay, these things can be improved because of these and stuff like that. Whatever application it is. Not whatever application. Stuff like Quant Hour, Ninja Trader, I cannot reach them out. That is totally separate entire. We don't have connection with them. But if you speak about Rithmic or Tradovate or WealthChart, then it's direct connection with them. I'm getting pissed because we are not getting a trade. In this beautiful downside, not one trade, guys. We are going down fast, guys. What the hell is this? How much we lost there? 180 points from the top. And we are in a support area right now. So that sucks. Why these things did not give a little bit of a pullback? What the heck? The 25,000 not yet retested here. Do we have space to still go down? Huh. That's the million-dollar question here. Yeah, guys, from my point, Epic's best company. How they treat you, and as well how we treat everyone. It's customer side and everything. It's our priority that is the customer, because we want the customer to be happy. But of course, many people come up with a ticket requesting the moon when it was not Epic's problem, but yeah, what we do our best, at least for the other things. Oh, let's see if we can get a trade here. Are we gonna get it? I'm short. I don't know what happened there. Yeah. Yeah, that's, I honestly, when I realized that having a job is more, look at that, I'm gonna get stopped out. All this downside and the freaking first trade I take on the downside, I get stopped out. Oh my God, I will be pissed off. I'm pissed off. Come on, you piece of crap. Go lower. You've shorted all the moment and until now, and you're gonna stop me out? Come on. So it doesn't matter if you blow up accounts, you have a salary. Yeah, super important for my point. Have a job while trading, especially when you're not profitable trader. That's why I'm relaxed. But there's some funny things. People think I blow up. I don't blow up. I'm a freaking piece of crap. This week is not my week, guys, and I could feel it. Piece of shit. Oh, why did not flatten my position? Oh, yo, this is not good, guys. This is not good. No order. Oh, wow. It did not. That's, see? Again, this copier is playing with me. Somehow I got lucky because I lost less than I should. This is the second trade of the day. This is not a problem that I can report because this is quant hour. And I have to accept whatever it is. That's why the important of have AirTrader Pro open. I saw when AirTrader Pro open, my position was still open, and yeah, I managed to took it out. Okay. Do your job. Can we get out? Oh, okay. Piece of crap. I don't understand what happened there. I mean, somehow it went out to be lucky for me. It went out to be lucky for me, guys. I closed because I'm closing the day positive instead of closing it negative. Just because of that. Yo, that was... Man, Mufti, I'm sorry for that. I can see why you are... Yeah, I can see what you mean. Craziness, because these things went down in no time. Like what? 10 minutes? We lost 100 points here, and 18 minutes we lost 130 points. And from the top, we lost 180 points there. Hello, Iron! A long time, Iron. So, I mean, I got lucky, yeah? I got lucky in this case. Yesterday, I got unlucky. Today, I got lucky with my copier because it did not flatten my position. It came back and I flattened it here. Crazy. But I realized it before something happened. When I got filled, I saw something that glitched for a moment and I was like, something happened there. And it did not copy my take profit. So if I take one of the accounts randomly and I check recent orders, yeah, orders was, here it tells me that I went, what? What? No freaking way, guys. You wanna see the funny things? I just the strategy. No, it's not a. It's a range bar tick chart. But just a strategy wise. We're trying using a different strategy. But you wanna know, guys, what happened in this order here on the other accounts? The main order was not filled. So when I got short here, the other accounts did not get short. But because they copy my take profit, my stop loss, they got filled by here when I got stopped out. When I got stopped out, I got filled. I closed my position luckily quick, so I lost that $150 here, and then I entered short again. That's what happened. So imagine sometimes this happens, right? And I've been in trading for a while, and because I analyze a lot of orders, even daily, I know when something happens for a reason, right? So imagine someone that does not know that a copier can mess up. You do something like that, you are in a position, you are angry, and you create a ticket, right? And you contact customer support, no matter what, it's Apex, Topstep, or whatever. You're angry, the customer support will read your ticket, will try to analyze you and give you the best advice. But many people, it's very difficult sometimes because trading is a very emotional world. People are emotional. People are lost money, and you have to understand them. And you try to be the nicest possible to tell them, look, this is what happened. You can avoid it next time by doing this, but this is not the profit problem, Topstep or whatever, or WealthChart or My Funded Future or Apex, whatever. So yeah, it's not easy sometimes, something like this. As me personally, something like this at the beginning, I would have created a ticket. What happened here? What the heck? Why did not get filled in this one? That is just trade copier of Quant Hour. I can complain with copier of Quant Hour and tell them, please improve it. You're making me lose money, but yeah, that's not the profit problem. That's what many people every time forget. At least we made some money today. That is not the best, but at least it's something. Yes, of course, Iron. I can definitely explain it. It starts from 9:30 Eastern time. Okay, I will explain the strategy, then I will reply to you, Nick. Because yesterday I was driving and I was thinking about this. Because yesterday I was not happy what I did yesterday. How I was emotionally tired on everything. So the strategy is very basic on a way that the moment you have a true EMEA, or the 200, the 100, the moment it gets to inside this area and it gives me 3 red candles from the top, because right now we're shorting, the 100 EMEA is below the 200, I'm gonna get short, stop loss will be above, 15 points target. Like here, I got stopped out, I re-enter short on the next entry, 15 points target, and I took my take profit. So this is how it simply as it is, it works. I take 2 trades per day, and that's all. If this MEA goes above the 200, then I will start look for longs. So this, I mean, you can see it as well here, a little bit of support. So probably this first short could have been avoided, but whatever, this is an analysis that you can do to improve your statistic wise. So strategy wise, Nick asked me a question in, now you traded for a while. So I really like the fact of being directional. I really like the fact of being mechanical on my end, take profit and exit. But yesterday when I was driving, I realized how yesterday I traded tired. You know, I was really tired. I really, yesterday was a lot of work. I did, I think, 6 hours straight before taking the break of trading live. And I was like, I was tired and I took my 2 trades and I called myself out. When I should have not traded at all, probably. I should have just skipped it because being that emotional tired. But what I realized is how I'm so disciplined. I have the skill of following a strategy for what I believe. I don't break rules. I don't go over max loss. My accounts survive. I'm not losing money this year. I'm in a plateau. I'm in a situation where I'm just going break even over and over again. And then I realized what I'm missing to move to the next step. And I was like, in the last period of my life, I've been procrastinating too much. I've been procrastinating on sport, YouTube, create more content, trading on the fact that I should put myself on 2-3 weeks of freaking studying and backtesting and working on something that will make me some profit. Because I have the skill to follow a plan and everything and discipline. I don't break rules. I take my 2 trades today, I'm done. You've never seen me take more than 2 trades. You've never seen me take more trades after 10.5. I believe most of you follow me not because of course I make money, because I don't, but just because I'm disciplined in a way that I hope if I follow my rules, you're like, as a little reminder to yourself, and be like, Hamza call himself out, I'm done as well. I should follow my rules. So yeah, it's, yeah. So Matthew, welcome first. Thank you for coming here and hopefully subscribing. But I really don't have advices for other platforms. To say again, I work for Apex. I promote Apex. I never use other platforms. There are many other platforms that are top. I believe Bullnex can be one. Tradify or Topstep or whatever. But I cannot give advices for those because I never use them. So honestly, but you're welcome to be here using whatever platforms you like and whatever monies you like. Your grandma money, and you're here watching me. I appreciate you. The money you are having by selling cocaine, you're welcome here. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not able to give you advice for other platforms. Bogdan, what is your win rate for this strategy and how many months have you backtested? No, I did not backtest. That's the point. That's the point. I did not backtest it that much. My friend backtested. I follow it, and I felt good at the first period. And still, my accounts are in a better position than they were before. So that's good. But I can do better. I believe I can do better. I'm EM for more this. Remove 2401. I saw it now. Thank you guys. I appreciate each one of you. So are you thinking you over taking time away from the strategy and backtesting something else? I'm thinking about it. Yes, I'm thinking about it. Even maybe, you know what? Even spend some part of the live stream. You know, I take my 2 trades, then I usually take 1 hour of break from my work. From 9.5 to 10.5, sometimes I finish my trade at 20 minutes. 40 minutes, I can backtest and do stuff. It's the procrastination that has been killing me in the last period. I've been procrastinating too much. And procrastination, it's a piece of shit. And I felt my phone, for example, I've been scrolling more than usual. I felt it. I felt that I'm too much on my phone. I have food. I'm scrolling during eating food, something I've never done before. Yeah, it's been difficult 2 months, I would say, 1 month and a half. Yeah, I have to go back to that, Bogdan, to really get some more knowledge on strategy and things, because I have the base. I really have the base. That's somehow I'm confident on myself, because I know that if I have the right gun that shots, I can shot every day the 2 bullets I need. And I know that I'm not gonna put 1 more bullet or remove 1 bullet or shot in the sky. Yeah, no, I can accept your comments, Nick. Don't need to hide it. So about the strategy being dual, I was using last year the 15-minute strategy. That's it, the same, right? It's the same. I was taking a break, 15 minutes break, whatever. But payouts were there. Same things as this one. I can't really complain that much. I've been using it for what? A month, I think, 1 month and a week. Cannot even say that much about it. Just 1 month and a week. I'm positive from when I started using it, so that's at least is good. More than I wanted, no. So, but there is, especially because when I see around, it's comparison is a killer. So you should not compare yourself with other people. So I'm gonna say this first. But why I wanna say this, because when I look at people around making payouts and then blowing or whatever, and I'm like, what the heck? This guy is not even to follow strategy, but this guy is making $100,000 per farm. And I'm like, I don't blow up. I don't break any shit. I follow my strategy. So yeah, it's so you have 20 accounts on the right. I don't switch to any accounts. I just copy trade them, all of them together at the same time. So that's the funny things. I don't switch between them. I have my parent account is here on the top selected. It's I don't remember, account 53, 55. I don't remember which one it is. It's selected here. So if I took like, for example, let's say I put an order here. You see 100 here, 104, and I will show you the long exposure here on the bottom. You see it on the bottom here, long exposure. These are all the orders, contracts that will be filled if I get filled at that level. If I remove it, all the contracts are gone. So yeah, so I do copy trade all of them. Many people might think it's crazy or stuff like that, but yeah, it's fine. It's crazy that I know people blow up. They blow up every day. I know people blow up every week. I don't. Even if it's a really stupid strategy, and I risk sometimes more than I should. I don't. Somehow crazy. Somehow crazy sometimes. So yeah, that's what I've been going through the last period. Trading sucks. Trading is beautiful. That's how it is. Trading sucks and trading is beautiful. Trading is beautiful in a way that it can give you so much when you are ready for it. You're ready emotionally, intelligent, mental intelligence, self-awareness. You have such a strong mental side that you know your emotions and you can control them. Because every time you think to break a rule is an emotion that is coming from you. And most of the time, I believe all emotions that are negative come from fear. So you get some fear, you're getting some moment of distress, and your brain starts to find you a way out to get you out from fear. Oh my God, I'm losing money, I'm losing too much. Take another trade. You're gonna recoup it. Oh my God, I'm winning, I should not leave this profit go away. Take it out, close your position in advance. So your brain is not there to help you to make money, but it's there to help you get out from distress, from fear. That's why we break rules. Because our brain is a freaking prehistoric brain. We are all the same. Our brain is for surviving. And the moment it gets you out from fear, the brain did his job. And it's our job as a trader to control these emotions and be like, it's not a state of fear. It's true that I might lose and I might win. I accept it because I'm following a statistic strategy, a statistic rules, or my strategy, or whatever. I'm following a plan. And that's what you have to come and to realize your emotions before you move to the step of being like, I'm a disciplined trader. Because when you know your emotions, you know how they come to you, you know how to stop them as well. That's what many people don't do, is they take their emotions and they navigate through them without even realizing why they came. At what time do you usually finish? At 10.5. I finish. Usually I'm done. If I take the 2 trades, I'm done. But I'm here today a bit longer because yesterday I cut it very quick, but today I'm here. $2,401, man, crazy. So crazy things. YouTube. So this year is for me is a year of realization of to achieve things in life, to achieve your dreams, and to achieve whatever you think you want to achieve and that you believe you want and everything. There is nothing else than taking actions. And procrastination, that's why I'm angry with myself, because of I'm not taking action in the last period. I want to be a profitable trader. I'm not taking action to move to the next step. And something is YouTube. YouTube has been something that I've been always inconsistent, always stopping by, always finding excuse, always being tired and not uploading. And in January of this year, I was like, I will start and uploading 2 videos per week. And I was like, okay, and I started to do that, and results came out. And you're like, I started with 990 subscribers. Was it beginning of January, and I got to 2,000. And now it's slowing down, but I'm at 2,400, right? I more than doubled the amount of subscribers I had at the beginning of January. From what? Taking actions, making videos. Sometimes a video does 100 views. Not even my mom watch it. Okay, it sucks, but keep moving. Put another video. So, and I realized this year in my life, especially because of Apex, and that's one thing I repeat always to them, to my management and the owners. I'm really grateful for Apex, not because of the salary and not because of the fact that they pay me and I'm a full remote worker, but just because they've done events and they do mental training every week, and they've done impact events that are not for Apex. We went to an impact event where we do mental exercise and physical exercise to make you a better person and improve and reach goals that you want in your life that are not related to Apex. And I was like, I realized how I was sabotaging myself that much, and I realized that the only problem in life, I never achieved anything, it was only me. And that is the bastard things of ourselves, is that we want to find an excuse. I did not make it happen because I was studying this at university and I was focused. No, it did not happen because you did not put the work to freaking do that. You didn't put actions on your goal. You didn't put actions on your passion. You failed, you give up instead of improving. It's like Mohammed is getting, no, it's not about getting old. It's really, it's not about that. One of my colleagues in the impact event it's 65 something years old. Man, we cried in that impact event. But he said something so impactful to me. He said, guys, I'm jealous of you because you are 30 years or 35 or 40 and you have had these things right now that I wish I had before because they're waking me up. You know, and that is the things of life. Of some of us will have this mental growth of self-awareness and self-growth in a moment of our life that we will realize, you know, we can't know, but it will happen. And some of us will never happen. And that is the sadness as well. Some of us can have it at 18, and that's why at 20 years they're already millionaire. And some others, they get it at 50, at 60. Yeah, right, Bogdan. And that's why I respect people that made it happen. Is the fact that many people that don't know say, but just you post some videos and you got subscribers and now you finally make money, whatever. I wish it's easy. I will do it as well. Blah blah blah. No, it's not easy. This person, like Bogdan example, is this guy for 3 or 4 years was posting with no one watching him until something happened. But what is happening is that you take as a rock and you take a stick and you hit the rock to break it. 1, 2, 3 every day, and one day it breaks. People will only see when the stone was broke, but they will never see how many times you freaking hit that rock. That's the problem. And when you tell them you've done this for years, they will be like, yeah, I will try, then we give up after 2 weeks because like my rock does not break. We never give up, said, yeah, it's Mufti. That's the never give up. Keep pushing. Yeah, and he did not give up. And it's the same for trading. But we have to keep improving, right? We have to keep studying, we have to keep growing. And that's what I felt I've not done in the last period. Studying and to grow in the right path. Something I grow in the first part of the year was the mental side. And I'm very happy. I'm not unhappy with myself at all right now. I'm very happy where I am and what I've achieved and what I can achieve more. I'm looking for it. So the mental side, I'm happy where I am right now. So right now I can focus on, okay, put some work right now and get you to the next level on trading. It was a nice chat, guys. It was a nice chat. Nice chat. That's yeah. And each one of us, and this is the things is, whatever someone did, you can do it. Whatever someone did, you can do it. If for example, if Aaron Trades have 40,000 subscribers, Option Trade have 200,000 subscribers, if they made it, I can make it. They did not have anything special. They did not have anything crazy that in advantage. They had the same things, but they were just posting and improving and studying and improving. And they get their followers. Whatever someone else, achieved, you can achieve it. Roberto! Aaron brought you here. Aaron is not live streaming now? So that's and that's about trading, it's about life, it's about everything. How many times we have done something, we stopped, and after a few months we complain about why we stopped or why we did not achieve this. The worst things I think is coming in a few years and having regrets. I could have done this. I could have pushed this. Yo, Mana, better today somehow by thanks God to the trade copier, but better today. Yeah, at least on results. Not the best, but still growing back the accounts. So yeah, guys. Now you have to do a video. Yeah, I would like to, I would like to change a little bit the channel on a way that, I love trading and I speak about trading. I would love to make it a bit more psychological and life. Do you have Discord? Yes, link is below in the chat, in the description. 2,400 free. We grown 4 subscribers from the live stream. I appreciate each one of you guys. Thank you so much. And we can speak about psychology all day. I love about that. I really love about how we are all different. We are all came from a different culture, society, family, parents. But when it's about problems, we have all the same problems, the same struggles, and we can help each other. We can really help each other on a way that if you struggle at this, I've experienced it. I can help you. You struggled in something. Help me on the struggle that I'm having right now. Even if we are different society, different life, different parents and brothers and sisters, we are all the same in some parts, especially on fear problems, especially in trading. So that's one thing when you speak about trading. You like every time you speak with a trader is only the moment someone understands you, right? Just because the trader went through the same shit you went through. So it becomes easy to communicate with a trader because he understands you. And that's what we like here, just speak about emotions. If you're going through something difficult in trading, you just speak with someone else. You ask in Discord. Someone laughs about your emotions or stuff like that, I ban him. I just kick him out. Someone that does not understand the emotion of someone going through a hard time, in my Discord, I will ban him. And you can ban him. There is Mufti the Cat and others that have the power. Just ban these people. I don't give a shit. We don't want... because usually these people, they're not traders. Because if you don't understand a trader, it means you're not a trader, or you're not, or you just started and you're not a profitable trader anyway. $10.24. That was a beautiful chat, guys. I really freaking love that. I really love that. It made me connect with all of you more. Bogdan from Bucharest. Now today I discovered that Bogdan is from Bucharest. If you don't know where Bucharest is, it's from Romania. And Romania have a language that is a Latin language. So it has many similarity with Italian and stuff like that. If I'm not mistaken, if I remember correctly, that's what it is. I had some friends from Romania when I was in Italy. See you, man. See you, Bogdan. I'm gonna cut it out as well. Thank you guys for everyone coming today. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate each one of you. If you're using Apex, that's my code is Hamza. That's my name. Is 80% right now with the $85 lifetime fee. If you're not using Apex and you're using other platforms or your own money, you're always welcome here. We trade together and we have chats that are not here to, sometimes we have fun. For sure we have fun, but sometimes we have a discussion that can help you and improve, people here are here to help you. So many good people here in the chat. Nick, for example, is there always jumping on emotional Discord, emotional chat. Mufti as well there. Today, Bogdan there. And Mitch, I didn't see he come from Iron as well. Roberto, Juan, I'm gonna say hi to everyone there here. Matthew, then John, the sailor, Cam. Thank you, each one of you guys. Appreciate each one of you guys. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Last day of the week of this live stream. Thank you, guys.